Hello and welcome to my new training video. My name is Coach Carnall.
A scuba diver coach!
No! I'm a behaviour coach! A behaviour coach!
Oh no, not more paperwork to do.
Or even this.
We haven't got time to fill in these ABC forms. Oh, I see. It's as simple as ABC and a better working relationship.
By Job, I think the penny's dropped. Well, I'm inside the ABCs. Let's get on with it. So please include the day, else your person analysing the sheets is going to be doing a lot of this. Why didn't they put the day? Your setting conditions. Don't be alarmed there, simply means place and people. If you're in a lounge, don't just write lounge. What about the lounge? Was it crowded? Then it's the people in there. How are they feeling? Your personal setting condition. Don't like noise.
Simon, your tea's ready!
Leave it!
Sorry, I didn't know you were filming.
I don't like noise, noisy environment, but not just before, not immediately before. You may have to ask back. Was it soft? Was it jovial? Frequency, how often? What the staff member or anyone supporting that service user said or did in response to the behaviour. Then what did the service user say or do in response? This is the most important column, the needs. This is the whole reason you're taking time out to complete the ABCs, all that investment, to find the need. In other words, what's the purpose of the behaviour? I call it the 4 sets. Let's get into it.
Oh no, he's just spat at the taxi driver. Ever so sorry, can we cancel the taxi for tomorrow? You're not allowed that. You're not allowed one for the next 2 hours. You've just had one.
Have I not got capacity?
Well, yeah, I see what you mean.
Hold on a minute. I don't even smoke. The good old TV remote. Have you ever experienced the death stare?
Laser eyes!
Okay. Sniffing hands or fingers. Consuming or smearing feces. At baseline, to coach that person, they don't need to do that behaviour to get that need met. Okay, let's put it to the test. I'm now going to read you a case scenario, and within your teams, you're going to complete the ABC for it. Best of luck. Roger lashed out at Jenny and with clenched fists struck Jenny several times hard around the face. Okay, trainers in the room, pause the video. Antecedent. Jenny was in the corridor encouraging Roger to come through to the dining room. Okay, I'm back in the room. How did you get on with our completed ABC form? Hope you enjoyed it. Remember, it's as easy as ABC. Hey! Can you come and sniff me?